my name's Felisha. I'm an organizer with the Party for Socialism and Liberation.
All right.
We are here today at Hancock Drone Base on Earth Day. With the current state of things, it's easy to feel like this is a celebration for what the Earth used to be, with no hope for the future. But today has to be a call to action to fight back.
Fight back.
The habitability of our planet is under attack, and it is an existential crisis. Earth's greatest enemy is the U.S. military.
All right.
It is the single largest polluter of CO2 emissions in the world. Their bases are set up around global oil routes and infrastructure. It consumes the most oil of any institution, almost more than any country in the world, essentially creating the demand that manufactures its own purpose. Right now, we are meeting during an unprovoked war with Iran that threatens to expand into global conflict. And this is not random. This is the system we live under. Capitalism makes war inevitable, based on a logic of profit and plunder, and infinite expansion on a finite planet. The elite politicians in Washington make sure that there are billions for military funding, billions to ensure that corporate investors get returns in expanding markets. And we see this every week. When Trump talks about the Iran war, it is nothing but market manipulation. Shame. They spend billions on war while working families, our elders, and young adults struggle to make ends meet, to afford to buy groceries, to pay for school, to pay for health care, to pay for child care. People are struggling. Families are struggling. Our wealth as a country, the wealth that we, the people, create, our federal budget is spent to subsidize forceful corporate expansion through imperialism, destabilizing countries abroad, and this priority positions the military and arms manufacturers as the primary industry driving our economy. And therefore, it offers some of the only jobs available to us. The U.S. military is the largest employer in the entire world. Shame. We need jobs, but not these ones. We need jobs that contribute to our society, that meet human need. And let's not forget that they have billions to fund ICE, to criminalize and round up the same people the military forces from their homes. I'm so happy to see so many young faces here. We are riding on the coattails of many of our elders, many anti-war activists from the Vietnam era, and they changed history. Vietnam was a war that changed history, where service members resisted from within. And we call on the armed service to do that today. The future of humanity and the planet depends on it. And the role we play, we need to take back our power. The next step is a May 1st general strike. It is our duty. It is our right.
It's our duty. It is our right.
Strike, 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 strike.
Strike, 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 strike.
Thank you so much.